How to recover Facebook account without email or phone number. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to recover your Facebook account if you do not remember your email address or your phone number. So let's get started. You can see this screen right here, and this is where we log into our Facebook account, and we have to enter our phone number and email address and then add a password. But we do not have access to our phone number or maybe our email. So you will just click on forget password, and then what will happen is that Facebook now will send you the information to actually get your and reset your password to your email or phone number. So if you do not have your email, then you can use your phone number, or if you do not have your phone number, you can use your email. First of all, you have to find your account for the account that you are going to be logging in. So you can just enter your phone number, or you can just find with your email address. You just have to enter your email to just find your account first. Okay, let's find my account, and there it is. It is the account that I do not have access to. Now I'm going to click on get code. Once you click on get code, a code will be sent to your phone number or email, and you will be able to reset your password and get into your account. So if you have forgotten your email or your phone number, then it's the easiest way to log into your Facebook. Once you follow the instruction on the email, then it's very easy. You will simply log in. I hope that I was being helped. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.